Hey, welcome to DM Up Garage, guys. We're back on the Millibug, and I'm going to have to do a Back to the Future thing because we filmed a little bit of this about 2 months ago. So you can quickly watch that, and then we're going to come back to this. Okay, guys, we are back on it today. It's another day, and we are just getting finalised. That was that last guard that I had to repair back at home, and we've just been going over a couple of little imperfections here and there just to make sure they're a little bit better. And these are ready for another coat of primer. And same here, there's a couple of little dints in the top of that we took care of. And same on the back here, still going over these areas. Had a couple of little pinholes, a couple of little imperfections, a little spot down there. Same here, another little bit there. But you know, the rest of it you can see in the light here, just with this last coat of primer, it's really come a long way. Same with the hood over here. So we're getting close to doing the final block and getting this thing ready for paint. So we'll obviously clean out the shed here and get it ready for spraying in here. So I'm going to just do some touch repairs now on these sections. So let's get the spray gun set up. Okay, so we have another coat of primer. It just goes on and on and on. Here's the engine lid, and that's looking pretty good. We've just gone back over the doors. Hopefully this will be our final primer. These are looking really nice. I'm going to give these a final block back. Hopefully we don't find any imperfections. Same with the guards. I had to go over them a few times, but they're looking good. Everything's looking okay. Same in here. We've gone back over this section again. That's looking a lot nicer. And same on this side. That's looking a lot nicer. And that part there. Oh yeah, I think everything else is going to be good. You can see our black stone guard that we did in the last section of work. Okay, so now we're back to this. We've still got a lot of blocking and sanding, and we're not going to even attempt to do this now. We're going to work on this stuff out here. This is the boring stuff. As you can see, we could actually run it just like this. What do you reckon? Just run it with guide coat. Drive around with a full guide coat car. No, that won't work. Anyway, we're up to blocking, so 320 at the moment. Couple of little spot repairs on those ones. So, yep, let's start sanding. It's a beautiful day. Let's keep going.
No. Something to say, you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced, and I'm gonna tell ya, don't hate me 'cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh, no, no, no. No, oh, oh, oh. And I ain't never gonna stop. Come on. Listen to me. I've tried so many times to tell you this is as good as I can be. Why isn't it enough to be faithful and also be the hit of the party? Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me.
So we have pretty much everything blocked back here in 320, so we're going to have to go back over it with 600, but inadvertently, you know, you do sand through in a lot of spots. So I don't think there's any bare metal on this one, but on the guards, on some of the corners, we've got, yeah, just there, a little bit of bare metal there, so we have to go back over that. And there, two little weird little high spots here, you can see, just one there and one there. So we're going to knock those down. That's just come through the primer. A little bit of bare metal along the edge here too. That's just to be expected. But what I'm doing, I'm using, and there's a little hole. Yeah, might be a hole, maybe not. Yeah, I'm just using the soft pad on the DA here. This little soft pad and 320. And you just, you know, because this is a curved surface, those DAs just bloody, they do magic. They do, you know, you fill it with your hand. There's no real reason to use a block on this. You can just do it with a DA and get it pretty good. All the years of sanding surfboards comes in handy. Yeah, looking good here. Got one little imperfection just there that we've got to fix, but yeah, getting there. Now that we're getting hot, it's time to move inside. We'll start on the body, start getting this thing sanded up. And we've got a few little putty spots here that we've got to go back over. But that roof's looking pretty good, you can see. Same deal, a little bit of spot putty here in the rail just to sand that back. Getting close for painting. The doors I think are good. We'll give those a final block back. Cool, let's continue. All right, some powder time. Got to powder my face. So we've done a little bit of sealing around these little areas that we're going to get obviously rust. So a bit of seam sealer along the edges, down the back here as well. Done all that, up the gutters there. I think most of the blocking, we've pretty much got 600 to go with the body. And I've done the final coat of primer on all of the panels out here. And these just need now a very fine 600 and they're ready to go. So yeah, we're getting close for painting. How exciting. All these bits are just hanging out here, they're all done. Yeah, looking really good. Okay guys, so it's the following week. We are back here at the Oven Boys place and we've got the beetle, we've got guards, we're getting ready for painting. Exciting day. We're going to basically paint the 4 guards first, just because there's not that much room in here and we want to keep the lighting where it needs to be for painting. So we're going to hang them along like this so that we've got the lights either side. Very exciting. You guys get to see the colour for the first time because no one's seen that. And the body's, yeah, the body's pretty much done. I think we've just got to give this a bit of a clean up and we'll do the body and well, probably the doors and the bonnet and boot. We'll do that in one go, the second hit, and then we can do this body another day. So let's go and set up these guards and get ready for painting. Okay, here's the colour, everybody. Let's stick some coats on. Woo. so there we go, all painted up. This is 3 coats. You can see this is straight off the gun. No need for buffing on this little sucker. It came up unreal. No runs. I thought I got one run just down through here, but it actually flattened itself out and we're all good. So not one run, pretty happy about that. So we've got some fast hardener in this, so we're going to be able to get it out of here in about probably an hour, something like that. And then we can get the bonnet and hood and other bits and pieces in here and keep going. We'll do a body the other another day. So yeah, pretty stoked. Good colour, perfect for Millie. She's going to be stoked. All right, look what we've done, fellas. We've got our doors.
You painted the drill.
We've got doors. Did I paint your drill? Sorry about that. I painted his drill. I'm always doing something terrible. So doors are done. Engine lid's done. Look, I did get a drip, everybody. Look, one right there.
I thought you were perfect.
Yeah, but look how mirror that came out, eh? Pretty cool, but one drip in the entire, and look at the bonnet, or the hood. If you're in America, it's the hood. Yeah, the hood came out good.
Yeah, it's good.
It's a good hood.
Good hood.
Any drips in the hood? No, nothing. All right, well that's going to do it for this session, and then we will return to paint the bug, the body of the bug, and we'll bring you guys back in. Okay, so it's the next day, everybody, and as you can see, we pulled the dashboard out because you can't really get into here to paint properly around these parts. So, and I'm not authorised to handle the vacuum cleaner.
That's right.
So,
How do you use this thing?
so yeah, we just thought we'd do that, pull it all out, and then we can see here we've got some rust to take care of.
I'm gonna hit that with a compressor and blow the shit out of it while it's outside.
All that there's got to be fixed.
Yeah.
Bad design, I'm afraid. So yeah, we'll take care of all those little bits and pieces. At least now we can mask all this up properly. Don't park it. Yeah, because this is what happens. The water goes in through here, and then it just settles down inside that part there, and you can see what it's done. It's just rusted it all out. So a bit of a silly design. And you know, the colour changing of this colour is amazing, isn't it?
Yeah.
You can see how it's changed.
Hey, the drummer is slightly colourblind, he tells me. And I said, well, do you see the difference between Millibug and the other one? He says, no. I said, well, that one's a lot brighter. Yeah, it seemed a little bit brighter to me. So he's...
Wow, he's got no idea what's going on.
Well, it's not pity because, you know, they don't get to appreciate that pop.
Yeah, the pop in the colours. Righto, everybody, we are getting ready for painting, and we have some extra lights up on the wall. These are the eBay special 10 LEDs for $100. Give us a bit more light in here. Almost ready to go. We'll get some paint mixed up and get this body painted. All right, guys. Well, there we go. She is all painted. You can see we've got a really nice gloss finish on this sucker. Nice and shiny. You can see through the ripples there. That was that problem repair that gave us grief, but you can see that came out nice. And yeah, she is ready to rock and roll. Come up really nice. Not one drip. I don't think I found a drip. I will look for one because normally I do. But you can see through there, that's all good. The roof's good. Front came out good. Let's get Oven Boy's reaction. Let's see what he says. Okay, what's the verdict for the viewers?
Oh, it's supposed to be red. Do you want tea or coffee? Always.
All right. Well, on that note, because we've got tea or coffee, I'm going to say bye. We're going to both say bye to this one, and we will see you in the next episode. But she's looking good. We're happy, and thanks for stopping in. You.